How to understand and meet the needs of others. Understanding and meeting the needs of others is a key component of building strong relationships, both in our personal and professional lives. By taking the time to understand what others need and finding ways to meet those needs, we can create a more positive and supportive environment for everyone involved. Here are some tips on how to understand and meet the needs of others. Listen actively. Active listening is an essential skill when it comes to understanding the needs of others. When someone is speaking to you, give them your full attention and try to understand their perspective. Ask questions and paraphrase what they have said to ensure that you have understood them correctly. Be empathetic. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. When you put yourself in someone else's shoes and try to see things from their perspective, you demonstrate empathy. This can help you better understand their needs and find ways to meet them. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is crucial when it comes to meeting the needs of others. Be clear and concise when expressing your own needs, and be receptive to the needs of others. Try to avoid misunderstandings and be willing to compromise to find solutions that work for everyone. Be observant. Sometimes people may not express their needs directly. Being observant can help you pick up on cues and signals that indicate what someone might need. Pay attention to body language, tone of voice, and other nonverbal cues to help you understand what someone needs. Be flexible. Being flexible is important when it comes to meeting the needs of others. Be willing to adapt to changing circumstances and be open to new ideas and approaches. This can help you find creative solutions to meet the needs of others. Show appreciation. Showing appreciation for others can help build stronger relationships and create a more positive environment. Acknowledge the contributions of others and thank them for their efforts. This can help motivate people to continue meeting the needs of others in the future. Be respectful. Respect is essential when it comes to understanding and meeting the needs of others. Be mindful of people's boundaries and preferences, and treat them with the respect they deserve. This can help foster a more positive and supportive environment for everyone involved. Be patient. Meeting the needs of others can take time and effort. Be patient and willing to work through challenges to find solutions that work for everyone. This can help build stronger relationships and create a more positive environment over time. In conclusion, understanding and meeting the needs of others is an important skill that can benefit us in both our personal and professional lives. By practicing active listening, empathy, effective communication, observation, flexibility, appreciation, respect, and patience, we can create a more positive and supportive environment for everyone involved. Remember that meeting the needs of others is a continuous process that requires effort and intentionally, but the results are worth it.